Hello and welcome back to the AndDev channel. This week has been pretty exciting in the world of AI, especially from Google. So I thought it would be worth catching up with Harvey again today and having a chat about what Google's recently released. Harvey.
Hello. Google had their I/O recently and announced a whole swathe of product along AI augmentation. You know, we've seen products for the LLMs, for the mobile apps, for video conferencing, all over the shop really. And I think, they rounded it off at the end with some new subscription plans too.
Talking about subscriptions, something that definitely hit the press there was the new Ultra subscription that's coming out from in the States. I think that had a quite a significant digit as a dollar amount a month. Harvey, how much was it?
I think it's about $250 a month, yeah.
What do you get for that?
So the headline feature, I mean, there's some other bits like more storage on Google One, Google Cloud, Google Drive. There's more features for Notebook LLM. But the headline feature that you've probably seen all over the news at the moment is the new Veo3 model that's being used in Google Flow. Video generation, but not just video generation. Audio generation with it as well to make believable videos, and some of these have come out fantastic so far.
Yeah, so just for confirmation, this is genuine, this is two people talking, this isn't AI at the moment. I think we will try in the future to do one with AI generated, see how that goes. But what else has come out in the AI space from Google then?
Well, we saw the bigger upgrade for Gemini 2.5 Pro, which is their headliner model. Now it's topping the charts on coding tasks. They've made improvements to how the responses are being generated. They're calling it diffusion, which is similar to how images are being produced, but for text. There's a massive upgrade to their 2.5 Pro offering. Actually, there was one more, which was DeepThink, which is a sort of enhanced version of deep research, which goes even more into more context to get real good compiled information.
Awesome. So our integration with sort of OpenAI has been obviously through the desktop client and that side of things. What integration points are there for this advanced coding capability that's obviously Gemini has come along? Can we embed it into VS Code or anything like that?
Yep. There's multiple tools that allow you to supply an API key. I mean, like, Cli, Roo. I think Cursor will probably even support it as well. There's many support for it already. I don't think they have a desktop app, but there is the Gemini Google.com interface, to chat interface. So yeah, plenty of points to integrate already with the latest models.
So if you're an Android lover, you'll start reaping the benefits fairly soon with these latest releases. That's awesome. Yep. Anything else you'd like to add today, Harvey, on that?
You mentioned Android. There was the whole Project Astra release where basically they're leveling up the Google Gemini application for Android. Very advanced video chatting with the model. Some of the examples they gave were real, like having an assistant in the room with you. So they had a guy repairing his bike, and every now and then he'd just pull the phone over and go, "Oh, what do I need to fix this?" or "What part do I need this?" And then he'd put it back down and say, "Okay, can you ask the shop to order me one of these and get it in?" So it's becoming more than just text to chat and this. It's actually becoming more of like an agent within your life now.
Very exciting. I think I've seen the similar advert that Gemini's running with making a cake or something, and he ends up spilling something into the mixture and has asked it to advise what to do next. So yes, very clever.
Well,
awesome.
I think it's an important topic really, because we've seen AI up to this point, whereas it's a great technology, but everyday user doesn't really know how to apply it, and I think that they're probably a little bit scared of it, or they try and skim away from it. But I think Google are trying to approach this in a way where, okay, now how can we make this a product for the everyday person? I know we've seen Apple bring in Apple Intelligence, and it's been received fairly mid. But I think Google are going in their own way to try and make this useful for everyone, not just the techies.
Yeah, that's really key point there. I think the three major technology players out there, Google, Apple and Microsoft, are obviously trying their own thing, aren't they? Gemini seems to it's not had its collapse yet, probably because it's got a huge Android ecosystem behind it as well. But the Microsoft Copilot thing, is it already had its day kind of thing, is the question that people are obviously asking. Apple Intelligence, as you said, has not been received very well, and has definitely been pulled back on occasions where it's made stuff up. But
Yeah.
I think that's all we had time for today. Harvey, thank you as always.
Thank you.
And do remember to like and subscribe.